Cameron here from Central Steel Build. In this video, we're going to go over how much a farm machine shed costs. We'll look at three examples: small, medium, and large farm machinery sheds. For smaller machinery sheds, you can expect a total price at around about $50,000. A machinery shed like this might be 7 meters wide by 18 meters long, with 4 roller doors and 1 access door. It's likely to be around 4 meters high. Medium-sized machinery sheds cost around $65,000. A typical shed at this price is likely to be 18 meters wide, 30 meters long, and 5.5 meters high to allow large vehicle access. A machinery shed like this often has sliding doors to make vehicle access easy. Large-scale machinery sheds can cost between $100,000 and $150,000. A shed at this scale might be 18 meters wide by 80 meters long at a height of 6 meters. These are large buildings for broad-acre farming. Find out more at centralbuild.com.au or call us on 1300 955 608.